Observe mechanic? Collect evidence? You have zoom! You have zoom functionality! Why are you not using it? Oh my days, bro! Like the way she twists that thing! Boom! Boom! Okay, Silver Palace, new trailer. I'm a little late on this, but whatever.
We're in Silvernia.
Detective themed, Victorian style anime gacha ARPG is what we got here. That looks nice. That's different. This environment, Victorian era, fancy elegant outfits. It's gonna be a fresh aesthetic. Maybe not the first one, but they have their own spin on it, and it's something that we don't see often. She's got a donut following her around. Donut cat. I find the back of her hair kind of weird, this one. With the PBR shading. They are venturing into like different territory with that PBR styled hair. And I like it for the most part, but there are some hit or miss ones, I think. See, here it looks okay. From the front, it looks really good. But the most unique thing about this game's aesthetic is the eyes. Their art style for eyes is pretty different from what we usually see. The best example would be, I think that's the main, not this one. Yeah, her. She's got those bright, big blue eyes. Okay, that's a little different, the menu.
There's no bombs here. Only
The character select screen. We have the multiple different angles. This is common nowadays. This is a little different when it zooms out for those, I think, skills.
Has not been kind to me. Death, on the other. The striped one is very smart, but that grumpy royal blue looks just like you.
I came up with plenty of names for our
Oh no, the best girl is here.
Red and black, the raven and the rose, or a study in scarlet.
She looks so good.
Who are you exactly? I am plenty of things. A dancer, a Florian superstar, a purveyor of intel. But my favorite name is the Red Rose.
Write it down. We got to do a Google search later. Hold on. Observe mechanic? Collect evidence? Hey! Hold up, you have a zoom! You have a zoom mechanic! Why are you not using it?
You've been staring for a while. I hope you're satisfied.
I'm really not. I'm really not with how they demonstrated that. My brother had a full zoom mechanic and he like sped run that. Brother. Did we not click on the other thing? You skipped it! Hey! Oh, there you go. There you go. They did it at the end. You have zoom! You have zoom functionality! What are you doing, player? I'll do it for you. I'll do it for us. I'll do it for us. Okay, this is gonna be a main mechanic. Because it's a detective game. So you'll be doing this to multiple characters. Red Rose, Silver Palace, 3D model, download. Oh, they actually have it already? Oh, come on!
Flamethrower ready. Beg me for mercy.
Oi!
Want some more, do ya? Now it's my shift.
You'll never miss if you get close.
I'll take care of this.
Wait, more of the stepping girl. Is there more of the stepping girl?
It's all in vain.
You need a
Oh!
detective.
Oi!
It's all in vain.
You need detective.
Bro, I am gonna sell this battle so many times. Hey. Oi! I think she's my favorite now. Bro, forget Red Rose. She steps on you? Violently? Where's the other one? Oh my... Oh my days! Bro, why is it so low quality though? Is this the highest it goes? Surely not, right? Ah! Bro, the way... Oh my days, bro! Like, the way she twists that thing... Boom! Boom! Run the other one back. Run the other one. Where's the other one?
I'll take care of this.
Where's that other one? Oh! Ah! Bro, what? Boom! Boom! Okay, I'm good. I'm good. I'm not good, but I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Okay, it's better quality on the official channel. IGN, what are you doing? Okay, where's that part where she was like shooting? That was her, right? Yeah, this is her too, right? Boom, please tell me we can play her. Please tell me you can pull her and play her. Oh. Run it back in HD. Boom!
It's all in vain.
Is that a mole? Or is that just like a particle? Oh my... Yo, look at her expression too! She hates us, bruh! Oh! Boom! See, right there, is that a mole? Right there? Bombo clot! Boom! One more time. Yes, call me puny. Where's the other one? The fire crackling thing is going all up her leg. Oh. That's gotta hurt. Ooh. You see that? Ah! That little 90-degree turn. Boom! I just noticed that. It changed enemies right at the parry.
It's all in vain.
That's a crazy transition. Ooh. Ooh. Don't shoot her face. 2. 3. Look at that wind up, bro. That wind up is ridiculous. Look how far back she winded that thing up. 2. Ah! Ah! Boom! Ooh. Please tell me this is coming out this year. Please, please. Does not even have an official release date yet. Expected after 2025 with some predicting 2020. Stop. Make better predictions. Beta testing in January 2026. Come on. Please release this now, Silver Studio. Devs, I ask you one thing, and one thing only. Please make this character playable, pullable, inspectable, romanceable, and release the model file publicly. I'll do anything you want. Anything.